Congratulations on discovering the treasure of CNC precision parts. As the source manufacturer and supplier of CNC precision parts in China, we are committed to providing high quality to our global customers. Efficient personalized CNC part service. Our precision parts use advanced technology and exquisite craftsmanship. After strict quality inspection, make every part highly precise. High reliability, high durability. Whether it is mechanical equipment, electronic products, or automobile manufacturing and other fields, you can find us everywhere. Our advantages: 1. Source manufacturer. Affordable price. You directly connect with a factory. Eliminate intermediate links and allow you to enjoy preferential prices from source manufacturers. 2. Personalized customization to meet needs. We accept personalized customization. As long as you have needs, we can meet you. 3. Global collaboration to serve the world. We have customers all over the world and a first-class customer service team. Let you enjoy our high-quality services all over the world. Contact us now to start your journey at CNC Precision Parts. Let us create more value for your business.